Bright sparks fill my mind, leaving doubts behind. Night is redesigned to be electrified. Every step I take makes the city shake. No room for heartbreak, just a new way. I glide through the sound, floating off the ground. Dreams tightly wound, waiting to be found. Voltage dreams inside my soul, filling spaces once left cold.